Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the abbr tag, which stands for abbreviation. So what we need to do is first create a p tag, so we're gonna put that inside that. So the and use the abbr tag, and there is an attribute inside this which we call title, and you need to specify the abbreviation of that. So what I'm gonna do is AWHO, and here World Health Organization. And when we do that, and we need to write something after that. So was founded on 1948, and you can see here there is a WHO written in here, and if you hover over there, and you can see that there's written World Health Organization. So this is the total work of this. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.